Hey friend, welcome to today's English quiz. Let's see how many phrasal verbs you really know. Choose the correct one, and have fun. Let's go. Which phrasal verb means to cancel? Call off. Which phrasal verb means to continue? Keep on. Which phrasal verb means to investigate? Look into. Which phrasal verb means to raise a child? Bring up. Which phrasal verb means to tolerate? Put up with. Which phrasal verb means to explode? Blow up. Which phrasal verb means to invent? Make up. Which phrasal verb means to return something? Give back. Which phrasal verb means to stop doing something? Give up. Which phrasal verb means to visit someone? Come over. Which phrasal verb means to remove clothing? Take off. Which phrasal verb means to postpone? Put off. Which phrasal verb means to admire or respect? Look up to. Which phrasal verb means to escape? Break out. Which phrasal verb means to recover? Which phrasal verb means to meet by chance? Run into. Which phrasal verb means to stop functioning? Break down. Which phrasal verb means to search for information? Look up. Which phrasal verb means to take care of? Look after. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quiz, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support helps this channel grow and lets me bring you more fun videos every day. You're amazing.